Alright, today we're going to inspect the delivery of our order. And as you can see here, this is the order detail. So what we are having right now is the delivery of this specific item that is being sold by Cart K. So if you are going to view his shop, so these are the products this guy is selling, right? So my objection here is that it's okay to have some sort of chance of getting certain items, pero as you can see here in the description, there is no mention that it is a chance of getting, but instead it is specifically describing the Realme C35. Okay, so these are shops that should not be allowed in Shopee, should take regulation. This is very misleading. All right. Although by purely inspecting it, you can really see that it is really a scam. But it should not be allowed by Shopee. All right. Unless it is specified here that this is a chance of getting the Realme C35 or any other model. But this is deliberately misleading unsuspected buyers or uh, trying to get some sale from innocent buyers. Now let's see the items. All right, so here we go. This is the product. Just confirm the number that this is the one is being delivered. Cart K. Okay, so this is the address. So watch out for that. Seller. For sure, it's really a scam. Okay, let's tear this down. From the box alone, you can see that this is really a scam. Okay, let's see. So what does it contain? I have seen this kind of thing at Lazada, but I think Lazada is better because it is really specified there to having there is a transparency there. Oh, it is a mystery parcel giveaways, but it is not stated there in the listings. So what we got? This is a scam. That is a scam, right? Careful.